Hi, I'm Jeff, and I have an unusual acid reflux cure story to share with you today. It's about how I completely got rid of severe acid reflux and how I finally enjoyed complete freedom from heartburn and other digestive disorders after 11 years of suffering. How did I do it? Well, a lot of what really worked for me is stuff you won't find in conventional medicine books or health magazines, and I bet it'll work for you too. I'm going to tell you my story because it's probably very similar to yours. And if you watch this entire video, which will not be online for too long, I'll do more than just tell you a story. I'll give you the solution that I discovered and use to this very day. In this video, I'm going to show you how to cure your acid reflux in 48 hours and eliminate the root cause of your condition in the next 30 days, gaining permanent freedom from acid reflux, heartburn, and most digestive disorders. I've never given away this much information before in a free video that you can watch all in one sitting. There are 3 easy principles you must understand to achieve permanent freedom from acid reflux. 1, what acid reflux really is and why you have it. 2, what doesn't work and what makes acid reflux worse. 3, the only proven way to get rid of acid reflux forever. By embracing these 3 principles, you can cure your current acid reflux and heartburn in the next 48 hours, permanently eliminate the root cause of acid reflux within 30 to 60 days, get rid of chest pain, burning sensations, burping, belching, flatulence, achieve lasting freedom from most digestive disorders, gain peaceful sleep without pain or bed wedge pillows, save thousands of dollars in medical costs, increase vitality, and dramatically improve the quality of your life. Let me reiterate. If you watch this video and follow what I teach, you'll undoubtedly feel your acid reflux and heartburn fade away.